Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel, Single to Parenthood. Today we'll be making steak using premium beef, and for this we'll need extra virgin oil. We will use salt, pepper, and some paprika. And this will be a smoked paprika. And here we have our premium beef. Now you can use any beef. We're not picky, we just found it at the store, it looked good, and we went with it. So let's get the show on the road. We're gonna start off by putting some virgin oil on one side of the premium beef. Turn it around and repeat. Once you've rubbed that in really well, then we'll take our salt and sprinkle some on each side. If you love salt, put more. If you hate it, put little. Now we're taking the pepper. We like black pepper, so we put that on. And we can't forget that smoked paprika. And at this point, we're just gonna rub everything in there, make sure that there's an even layer, and we just turn it over and repeat. Now that we have our beef all seasoned up, it's ready to hit the pan. You hear that? That's the sizzling sound we want. So we are going to lightly sear all sides of this premium beef. Don't turn it over too quickly. Let it sizzle some more, and in a few minutes we will turn it. Once you're happy with the front and back searing of the beef, you can turn the beef on the side and start searing all the sides. Surprisingly, it does take quite a bit of effort holding the beef up like this. Either I didn't eat my spinach this morning or I'm just weak. Anyways, back to the cooking. We're almost done with the searing. In terms of this video, we actually like the meat well done. If you tend to like it a little bit less ready, so medium well or medium, when you take it to the oven, just put it in for less time. So off to the oven we go. It smells so good already. We're setting the temperature at 330 Fahrenheit, and we're going to place the meat in for about 15 to 16 minutes. If you want it less cooked, then place it in for less time. This is looking so good. So you can end the cooking right here, or if you want to spice it up, we recommend adding a little bit of butter, and on top of the butter, we're going to place some garlic spice. So sprinkle that garlic powder on there, and then we're going to take it to the oven for a few more minutes. The butter has melted, but if you're feeling adventurous, add a splash of lemon. The beef is looking nice and tender, nice and juicy. We turn it over here, good color, and it's looking nice and moist. Now let's take a look inside. Let's give it a cut and you can see for yourself how it turned out. This is a lovely, well done beef.